What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming back at you with another video, man. I hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody having an awesome day. Hey, today this is gonna be a great video for you guys who looking for an awesome vest or a riding jacket or gloves. So I'm gonna tell you about it. A company reached out to me called First Manufacturing. They reached out to me and they wanted me to show their product on the channel. And y'all already know. I'm gonna show you. I've been rocking this vest. This is First Manufactured vest right here. This is a great vest. I have rode in the rain in this vest and everything. No cracks in the leather at all. And I done got caught in the rain quite a few times in this vest. And this is a great vest that I rock in the wintertime. You know, Texas right now, you don't put this leather on, y'all, you're gonna be in trouble. It got pockets in it and everything, y'all. So right here you can see the pockets. If you keep your wallet, man, it's a deep pocket, y'all. Y'all see where my hand go, man. It's a deep pocket. You keep your little 9mm or your 22. But yeah, they reached out to me, y'all, and they wanted me to go on the website, pick out a product, and I did. I needed a heavier riding jacket. So this is the jacket that I picked out, and you can get this jacket with the different stitching on here. I just went with the black stitching. You can get it with the red, the gold, the blue, I think the orange, whatever color you want to get it in. You see this jacket is really heavy. So with heated gear on in the winter time, this would be a great it's definitely gonna keep the heat in. I'll put it like that. And y'all, and I don't see a stitch out of place on here. You see how it's made here. It's got the holes here as well, right here. And let me take it off the hanger. And it has the pockets in here as well. Look at that, y'all. That pocket, look how deep that pocket goes. That pocket is deep. So you definitely keep, and it has the lining right here. This is the lining, y'all. So if you're looking for a great jacket, go check them out. I got a discount code for you. I think you get 25% off on a discount code. I will put it down in the description. Let me put this on. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. It looks good. Oh man, it looks really good, y'all. You got the zippers on the arms. You see that? So you can get out your jacket. Like I say, the lining goes all the way through. And let me zip it up for you. And you zip this boy up, and then you can snap it. So if you got leather gear on, this is gonna definitely keep you really warm. And one thing about leather, it keeps the heat in. And then great leather when you're riding, it'll get wet, but it'll dry right up and it won't crack. Like I said, that thing haven't cracked. My vest hasn't. But yeah, but you see your boy is shooting this on the inside because it's the summertime and they get hot here in Texas, and y'all know how hot it gets here in Texas. But when the wintertime comes, this is gonna be great for my riding. So I ride year round, so make sure you go check them out and see what you might want to get. Like I say, they have gloves, they have vests for you, your wife, and all that kind of stuff. So check it out, man. I love it, man. It's a great product. So like I say, you get it in variety of colors, and they have also other different jackets and product on there as well. So hey, make sure you check them out. But man, that's gonna be it, y'all. Until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all ride safe on those tools. You know your boy be pounding the ground. Not sure where I'm going yet to the next one. People asking about the 21st in Milwaukee, but I'm not sure about that. But yeah, we're gonna be pounding up there, and that vest and that jacket might come in handy up there because sometimes it's cool at night up there. So man, that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you check out the website, First Manufacturer. I'll put a link down here so you can go straight to the website and check it out, man. And check out, and plus you can get your 25% discount code. All right, peace. I'm out of here. You have a blessing.